Hi Ali, I run a video production company and I have been running a TOF Google search campaign since May 5, 2025. TOF top of the funnel campaign. It was performing really well at first. I run it Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. with a daily budget of 200k IDR, approximately 13 USD dollars. Daily 13 USD, so quite a small budget. Yes, quite a small budget. But over the past 5 weeks, performance dropped a lot. I think I did two things that broke the algorithm. I manually posted the ads on national holidays that fell on weekdays. I didn't do any optimization for about 4 weeks. When I finally checked the search term report a few days ago, I saw a lot of irrelevant terms eating up clicks. I added many negatives, but 2 to 3 days after that, I still wasn't getting good leads. On August 19, I launched a brand new TOF search campaign with some changes, narrowed down locations, added more phrase match keywords. My question is, should I stick with the new TOF campaign or go back and continue optimizing the old one? Thanks in advance. Okay, so for any campaign, Google algorithm takes time. Ideally 7 to 14 days is an ideal time for any algorithm to work around. But since you already created a new campaign, narrowed down locations, you added more search match keywords, I also suggest you to use that negative keyword list which you have added in the previous campaign. Add that negative keyword list in this campaign as well. Plus, continue monitoring your search terms daily and look around for your peak days, peak hours to see what's working well. You have to give time. Sudden frequent changes on Google Ads do not work. You have to be patient. You have to give time. My opinion, stick with your second campaign. Give some time. Spending is low. So this is another reason 13 USD is a very small budget. Plus you're doing too much frequent changes on a too less time. That is causing you to hurt. Google algorithm needs some time to see what's working well for you because you were getting good conversions before. So took that data, look around for those keywords, locations, time zones, and you can do the optimization on this one as well. But it's because since you have created a new campaign, my vote is now with the new campaign. Do the optimization on the new campaign. Take lessons from your previous campaigns. So yeah, and then after 7 to 14 days, we will be at a point where we can discuss on how it's working well or not. Plus, there are a few suggestions for landing page optimization, which I have been speaking around in many videos. Adding some CTAs, call to actions, look around on your comparative details, and do some ad optimization, including ad assets, especially promo deals, discount deals. Adding your phone numbers and location helps you in getting more authenticity. So yeah, these are quick tips. Which can help you in optimizing your Google Ads account. But in case if you need a full Google Ads audit management service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We offer a variety of services as a Google partner. So yeah, we can help you in optimizing Google Ads campaign. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye. I hope I answered your question as well.